Hi guys, this is JP again, and I would like to invite you to join our Facebook community called Networkers That Care. It's a community of decent networkers here in the Philippines, ng mga Pinoy networkers na nagsama-sama na willing magtulungan even if magkakaiba ang mga MLM companies natin. No? Dito willing mag-share ng ideas, techniques, strategies na makakatulong sa atin sa pagpalago ng ating MLM business. No? Kung baguhan ka lang, this is the best place para tambayan dahil marami kang matututunan from networkers na mag-share no, ng kanilang mga paraan para sa iyong MLM business. Now, lahat tayo lahat tayo ay networkers, hindi tayo dapat magsiraan, no? Lahat tayo gusto lang kumita, gustong makatulong. So, it's not a good thing na magsiraan tayo. It's the best thing na magtulungan tayo instead, no? Even without trying to recruit each other. Okay? So, networkers that care is there para magsama-sama tayo at gawin yung tulungan system na lagi natin sinasabi sa mga prospects natin. No? Lahat ng networking companies ay number one. Lahat magagaling ang products, lahat malulupit ang marketing plan. So lahat yan number one, but it's up to us talaga kung paano natin palalaguin. And again, networkers that care is a community of networkers na marami kang matutunan. So I hope maging part ka at we're also looking forward in learning from you as well. Okay? So all you have to do is to click the link and mapupunta ka na sa page ng networkers.care and i-add mo lang sarili mo and once mag-online ako, na-approve ko agad lahat ng gusto mong sumali. Okay guys, so maraming salamat. Good luck my fellow networker at let's all be successful with network marketing.